The ASUS ROG STRIX B650E-F gaming Wi-Fi is a top-tier choice for gamers who want a high-performance, stylish motherboard that pairs seamlessly with the CPU. In my opinion, its sleek design featuring blacked-out heatsinks and minimalistic aesthetics, along with just the right amount of RGB accents, sets it apart from other ASUS boards that tend to go overboard with flashy RGB and metal heatsinks. Regarding features, the B650E-F truly shines with its robust RAM overclocking capabilities, which can reach impressive speeds of up to 6400 MHz. This kind of performance is guaranteed to provide a noticeable edge in gaming and applications, especially when compared to other motherboards in the market. Furthermore, the dual PCIe 5.0 slots make the board future-proof, ensuring compatibility with new components as they become available. One standout aspect I particularly appreciate is the inclusion of PCIe 5.0 slots for graphics cards and SSDs. This thoughtful design choice ensures that gamers can easily upgrade to next-gen components as they hit the market, leading to an even better gaming experience. Another noteworthy feature is the presence of a USB-C port on the rear I/O, which caters to the latest high-end peripherals that require faster and more reliable connectivity. However, it's essential to point out some areas where the B650E-F falls short. The rear I/O, although offering a wide range of connectivity options, has a significant number of USB 2.0 ports. These ports provide slower performance and higher latency than the newer USB 3.0 standard. For gamers with numerous peripherals and accessories, this limitation means they'll have to be selective about which devices get the faster connections. Additionally, the lack of USB 4 compatibility might be a deal breaker for some users who demand the latest technology in their builds. Compared with similar motherboards, the ASUS ROG STRIX B650E-F holds its own with its powerful features and future-proof design. However, it's worth considering other options if USB 3.0 compatibility or more USB 3.0 ports are crucial for your setup. To sum it up, the ASUS ROG STRIX B650E-F gaming Wi-Fi is a fantastic choice for mid-range and high-end gamers seeking a versatile motherboard that not only supports the CPU, but also offers room for future upgrades. In addition, its understated design and strong rear I/O make it an attractive option for gamers who prefer a more refined look. In my opinion, this motherboard is the perfect fit for buyers who value power, future-proofing, and minimalist design in their gaming rigs. However, it may not be the best choice for those requiring faster connectivity or USB 4 compatibility in their motherboard. In summary, the board's key advantages are the impressive RAM overclocking capabilities, the PCIe 5.0 support, the onboard Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, and the minimalistic design with subtle RGB accents. On the downside, limited PCIe 4.0 M2 slots, only a few USB 3.0 ports, and no USB 4 compatibility. So what do you think? Is this the best motherboard for you? Or do you think another motherboard is better? Check detailed reviews of the top motherboards on our website, bestmotherboardzone.com, and another video where we reviewed the top 3 motherboards for the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D and see if any of these is a better option for you. Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have an awesome day.